if you struggle with facial proportions or getting your portraits to look realistic, this little trick is going to help you so much. We are going to draw the portrait, and we're just going to get in a few proportions so you know where everything is for once we go to paint. A step-by-step of this process is going to be right below this video. Just want to mention that. So the first step is take a picture with your phone of your abstract. And then you are going to just brighten it a little bit. You can bring up the exposure, you can crop it, and then we're going to take a picture of this. There's so many different apps out there for this technique of layering images together, and it's just very helpful to combine different imagery together. If you want to tell a story through your paintings, you can use Pixelmator to create these sources where you layer images together. Also, adding a black and white image like this will probably be a bit easier. You can do color photos, it doesn't really matter, it'll kind of work with anything, but the black and white will definitely stand out a little bit more. I'll just show you. So you just add a new photo, that is the painting, and then you're going to add the portrait right on top. You're going to go into style and the blending mode. You can do multiply or darken. So I think I'm going to go with darken. And then you can also bring down the opacity a little bit, make it a little bit more see-through. Okay, so then you can kind of just move the portrait where you want it. So I'm going to save that. So that was super easy, and now I have the source. You're gonna just follow along and sketch in everything in the portrait based off the marks that you have on the canvas. So these are kind of your guidelines for where you're gonna sketch the portrait. So you can take whatever pencil, marker, I probably would recommend a pencil for this, and just start sketching it in. If you struggle with proportions, this technique will save you hours of frustration. By taking your abstract background and creating a reference photo from it, this is going to help you accurately sketch in your portrait every single time. You can see like I've added the outline of her face, and I think it's just such a great technique when you want to draw something fast and also stay loose. It will help you get the proportions right. If you struggle with proportions, this is a really good trick. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time.